Hi! Today I'm going to continue with the Linedance steps. Today I'm going to go through the steps a sailor step and a coaster step. So we start with the coaster step. Okay, I'm doing it with this angle, so you can see me from the side. Coaster step, I want to go back on my right. You could also go back on your left, but I'll start with my right. You go back, you step left together, change weight to the left, and step forward with your right. One more time, so it's back, together, forward. And your weight ends on your forward foot, which in my case is my right. Okay, if you do the same with the left, it's left, right together, step forward left, weight ends on left. The timing, the normal timing with the coaster is 1 and 2. Okay, just to do it one more time this direction as well. 7, 8, 1 and 2. So as you can see, with a coaster step, my feet in and they are close together. Yeah. So you could also have a coaster with a quarter turn. Quarter turn. If I do it with my right, I'll make my quarter turn to my right. And then I'll turn on the first count. So it's turn, together, step. Okay, one more time. So it's turn, together, step. 1 and 2. If I do to the left, and then I'll turn to my left. It's turn, together, step. Do it one time this direction as well. I want to turn to my left, do it to my left. So it's turn, together, step. Also with the turn, my second, when I'm in the and position counting, and my feet are together. So that's still the same. Yeah. You also might find on some step sheets that you have a reversed coaster step. That's a variation. Then you step forward. So if I do to my right, I step forward, together, back. And then my weight ends on my back foot, which is right in this case. I can say it left, forward, together, back. But the normal coaster step is back, together, forward. So, okay. I'm going to go through the sailor step as well. Sailor step. It's sort of a famous drunken sailor. Yeah. And in Linedance we have adopted that step and called it a sailor step. So, you start, I'm going to do it with my right foot first. So, my weight is on the left, I go back on the right, back, a little bit out on to my left, with my left foot, out, and out my right, a little bit forward, out and forward. One more time, so it's back, out. Okay, with the counting, normal counting of sailor step is 1 and 2. Make it one time for this angle as well. So it's back, out. So when I'm doing with my right foot, when I start with my right foot ends up a little bit in front of my left foot, but they are sort of in line, but my right foot is a little bit in front of the left if you draw a line on the floor. So that's, yeah, and if I do it with my left foot, it's the same, but back, out. Yeah, this angle as well, back, out. Okay, you can also have a quarter turn with your sailors. If I make a quarter turn to my right, I'll start with my right foot, so it's turn, out. So turn on the first step, One more time, 7, 8, turn, out. Same if I start with my left, sailor left with a quarter turn, out. Look at this direction as well. I want to turn to my right with a turn, out. And also if I do it to my left, turn, out. Still 1 and 2. Yeah. You might also see some examples of a sailor half. Then I have this turn out step. Yeah, so it's also a variation of the sailor step. Just to sum up, the coaster and the sailor, they're sort of the same. Both go backwards, but the difference is that with coaster step, on the hand count, your feet are together. In sailor, your feet are apart. Just to show you, coaster step, back together, forward. One more time with the counting, 7, 8, 1 and 2. With the sailor, it's back, out, out. With the counting as well, 1 and 2. So as you can see, on the hand count with the coaster, my feet are together. Sailor feet are a little bit apart. Same if I do it with a quarter turn. I'm going to do it turn quarter to my right. Sorry, with a coaster, so it's turn together forward. If I do it with a sailor, it's turn out, out. The main difference is on the hand count. That's are your feet together? It's a coaster step. Are them apart? It's a sailor step. So, yeah. Good luck.